Hi, my name is Justin Cooper.
Hi, my name is Mikey Germain, and this is 5 questions with Justin Cooper. All right, first question. Favorite track or city and why?
I gotta go with Redbud. I feel like it's hard to pick a supercross, I feel, because it always changes, but venue-wise, I would have to go with, let's see, Philly maybe?
What rider is the best dressed?
Say PB, or we can go with Hayden. Either or. They're young and they're trying to flex on us.
If you had to give another rider access to your social channels for a full day, who's the last person you'd trust and why?
Last person I'd trust, Hayden Deegan. Yeah, for sure. Probably make me some money though, so that'd be good.
What's your most controversial hot take?
Hot take. Taxes. I don't like them. It's too many of them. It's out of control.
Who is the best trash talker?
Me and Coop, we like to hurt each other's feelings. We talk a lot of trash, but it keeps us motivated, so.
All right, this has been 5 questions with Justin Cooper. Thanks for watching.